Because then they're gonna think you're giving them food. That would be.
Yuna.
You're making.
Ano na sis?
You're making.
Yuna.
No, you're getting their hopes up. Now they think we were gonna give them food, and I was just sad.
Tagay ko na sa kuan.
Nara sa akin.
Google the eat the from Tito Nina's vlog.
We're not giving them back than this. I don't think.
Wait, Yuna will give you.
Oh, Mama.
Let me Google.
Yeah, you do it. Don't give them the whole thing because they can't eat that. You need to cut it up into pieces.
Nothing.
Dili kaon.
Did kaon basta nasa saob?
Yes, so no drinks. I will not eat.
Ikuan siguro siya igdunol sa kamot. Ha?
I think you need to cut it into smaller pieces.
What?
Oh,
No. It doesn't. Give me that one instead, be.
Yeah, it works. See, they need small pieces.
Okay. Yeah. They don't need small
Yes, they
pieces.
do. Mom, don't do that.
It bite me, you know, but it's not painful. It bit me when I gave the food.
It keeps hissing.